We heard you guys loud and clear. You guys love it when we talk about all things blogging and how we make money blogging. It was once a side hustle that turned into a full-time income. So we're going to share with you 5 steps to creating or starting a profitable blog coming up.
So it all starts with number 1, content creation. Because when it comes to blogging, content is king. You have to create good content for people to want to follow along, for people to want to come on the journey with you. It's important to have content that is relatable and valuable, because if people can't see themselves inside of your content, they're not going to be prone to follow along. So make time and put a lot of effort and diligence into making sure that the content that you create is valuable and it's something that people want to know more about.
Number 2 is organization. That's right, you must have order. Now guys, you can't just have order in your personal lives. If anything, your business needs it even more than your personal life, I would say. Now, I know that we're talking about blogging, but you can actually take these steps and apply them to any business, especially an online business. So order. So for us, having order within our business was key. I mean, calendars, and we have a content creation calendar, and we sit down and we brain dump and we come up with different ideas to create content. Order is key. Now, for me, I love to carry around a notebook, right? And I just jot down a lot of things. Even when I have meetings with certain companies or brands, I'm jotting down things in this central notebook that he and I both can look over. So organization is key, guys.
Number 3. Third step in this process is all about list building. What do we mean by that? It's important that if you're going to have a profitable blog, you need an email list. This is where people give you their email addresses and you are able to then get your content to them, because it's important not to try to build a platform of yours on someone else's site. What do we mean by that? A lot of people build platforms and blogs, but they're based on their presence on other sites, social media in particular. And what happens when that particular social media site changes their algorithm and changes the way by which they deliver your content to your audience? Now you are in trouble. So that's why it's important to have an email list, because when someone submits their email address to you, now you are able to control the flow of your content to that person. So in order for you to have an audience that's rock solid, that's authentically yours, it's going to be important that you put effort into building an email list and get people to subscribe to your blog.
Introducing the all-new Genius Bloggers Toolkit. In the past 2 years, the toolkit has been a knockout success with over 13,000 happy customers. And we've upped our game by filling this year's bundle with all new carefully vetted training and resources to help you hit your goal and rock your blog even more. Here's why you're gonna love it. We've teamed up with the smartest bloggers we know so you can learn which strategies are working for them right now. We've made sure to include resources for the entire blogging process, from writing great posts to attracting more readers, building your email list as well as your social media platforms, growing your income through smart strategies like affiliate marketing, and even handling your bookkeeping. And we've made it incredibly affordable. You can literally get 77 trainings for the price of 1. If you had to make just one purchase for your blog this year, this is it. The Genius Bloggers Toolkit. Brilliant tools to help you grow your blog, work smarter, and make more money. 6 days only.
Now guys, we're not gonna leave you all hanging. As a matter of fact, we are so excited about this. We have an opportunity, before we actually get to the next steps, to actually offer you an amazing, I mean amazing. Did I say amazing?
You did.
Resource, guys. Like, I was so excited when I saw this resource. I was like a kid at Christmas, and I'm like, oh my gosh, if we would have had this in hand when we first started, man, the amount of mistakes that we made, we would have probably have avoided. Well guys, you all have access to get the Genius Bloggers Toolkit, and you just have until Monday, October 15th, midnight. Guys, what makes this toolkit amazing is there's everything from what we're discussing with you guys right now in this video, everything from product creation to law or legalities when it comes to blogging, to email lists, to organization, to productivity. Guys, everything inside of this toolkit, you won't believe it. It is valued at over $5,800.
Easy.
I was amazed. And you know what I did? I started to look through it, and I actually saw some of the very people that put their products into this toolkit I have some of these. We have some of these resources. And let me tell you, it wasn't $97 for a $5,800 value. It's amazing, guys. Just look at everything that you will get. I mean, everything, again, from email list building to organization to even branding, like your website, like you all. This toolkit is amazing, and you don't have enough time. You only have 5 days, and it ends Monday midnight. Check the link in the description box below. I was so excited when they told us that we can offer this to our family. As a matter of fact, guys, I reached out to them. I'm like, hey, I know you guys started this, but we have a whole lot of family over here that would love to have their hands on this. So we were excited about it, guys, that we just knew that we had to bring it to you guys. It's amazing. I mean, absolutely amazing. Let me tell you, it's all real. It's not a gimmick. It's not a scam. It is real. We
got a link for it down in the description box below. Just click the link and find out more details.
And that brings me to step number 4, which is design branding. I know you all, as a matter of fact, we get people that reach out to us and say, Tanya Talent, did you all come up with your branding yourself? Like, how did you think of that? And let me tell you all, I would consider myself a little bit creative. Like, I kind of have an eye for certain things, and I know what kind of looks right and what doesn't. Yeah, you know, I used to be a makeup artist, so I kind of have the eye. But what I find is that most people don't know the importance of design branding. It is so important, guys. Remember, this is going to be the first impression that your soon-to-be followers or even potential clients and buyers, they see. So it's very, very important. And I know that it's intimidating, but guys, there's so much information, as a matter of fact, included in that toolkit that will help you. Just make sure that you get your design on point. Now, one thing that I do want to say, one thing that we never did, and I would definitely highly suggest that you don't do, don't wait for perfection to start, okay? So you don't want to wait till you have this just beautiful, pretty website or pretty ebook cover or whatnot just to hit the go button. No, start now. Like, when we go back and we look at some of our old designs 4 years ago, oh my gosh, it was hideous. Like, how come you all didn't tell us that our logo looked like that? Or how come you all didn't tell us, like, Tanya Talent, those colors was kind of loud? But to us, it was our best then. So we didn't wait for perfection. Now, 4 years later, we're able to kind of change some things. So don't get stuck up on the certain different details that you miss out on the opportunity to actually get into this thing while it's hot. I mean, blogging, you all, it has not gotten old. I know a lot of people say, well, blogging is kind of old. Everybody's doing it now. Is there really a chance for me? Yes, there is a chance for you. Trust me, there's a chance for you, because there's someone that wants to hear just your voice and your voice only.
And number 5 might be the most obvious, monetization. It's important that you set your blog up for monetization, for people to pay you for your content or for people to pay you for products that you create. There are a number of ways that this takes place. It could be ad placements on your website. It could be you partnering with brands to write articles around their products. They'll give you some to check out or to test out, and you write a review or you give an honest assessment of how it works. It's just endless. You can create products, planners, printables. People create products for everything, because guess what? The thing that you're talking about that seems like second nature to you is something that someone else is trying to figure out, and you have the answer to the problem that they are facing. And so there are several ways that you can take your knowledge and your content and monetize your blog so that it becomes profitable.
Yeah, guys, and that's what I love again about this toolkit. There's everything in there on how to monetize your blog, as well as how to work with brands. Like, I think that's huge. You know, there's a lot of companies now that are looking for average everyday people. Like, they're not going to Hollywood. They're not like writing those big checks, you know, to some of these well-known celebrities that you may know. They're going to your average Tanya Talent, right? His or her money. And they're saying, hey, can we partner with you guys? Because we see that you all have a family, a tribe that loves you guys, and they trust what you say. Can we partner with you? And you know what, guys? There's nothing that we bring to you guys that we would not use personally. So Tanya and I, it's not just about making the money. It's also about providing you with resources that will help you. Because that's really why we do this, right? That's really why we have an online presence, is because we know how it was, right, to struggle with the money. We know how it was to have a hard time with the money. And now that we're winning on this side, why would we keep this to ourselves? So there's something that's inside of you that you must get out. And for some of you guys, this entire video is like a sign to you, like, okay, I think they're talking to me. Maybe you've been thinking about starting a blog. Maybe you've been saying, okay, can I really do that? Would anybody really hear my story? Yes, yes, and yes.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend. Don't forget, you can always keep up with us over at our website, hisandhermoney.com. It's been great. Until next time, guys. Peace.
Bye.